Chinese President Xi Jinping arrived in Paris on Sunday for a state visit to France at the invitation of French President Emmanuel Macron. In a speech he gave upon arrival, Xi expressed his happiness to start his third visit to France and to celebrate the 60th anniversary of the friendship between China and France. Xi is accompanied by his wife Peng Liyuan and other important officials from China. During his visit, Xi plans to have detailed discussions with President Macron about how to strengthen the relationship between China and France, as well as the relationship between China and the European Union. Meanwhile, Macron wants Xi Jinping to use his influence to help end the war in Ukraine, and they will discuss this during Xi's two-day visit. They will also talk about disagreements between the two countries on trade matters like electric cars, cognac, and cosmetics. They will also discuss issues in the Middle East, trade, and climate change. The President of the European Union will join some parts of the meeting to discuss broader concerns of the European Union. After France, Xi will visit Serbia and Hungary. However, France sees this visit as an opportunity to improve relations with China at a time of global tension. France hopes that these discussions will persuade China to use its influence with Russia to help resolve the conflict in Ukraine. This is especially important as Russian President Vladimir Putin is planning to visit China soon.